Welcome back, Cream Bath back again with another reaction video. Today we're gonna check out Jafro Unite the 7. It's been a couple months, well almost a year since I reacted to Jafro. No, not so long, couple months. Jafro was one of the few first UK artists that I reacted to, that I really get introduced to UK rapping, and Jafro was one of them where really set the bar. So we're gonna check out this and see what's going on. Begin now.
So, man, I'm putting together a clique of superheroes.
Oh.
I want to unite the 7.
Oh, superheroes.
And first up, there's Batman. Dark Knight, half white, do you bleed? Well, you might. Look, man became an MC to take the fake MCs out of the sky. So what if they think they're super? I'll find his weakness and eat him alive. Tell my city I got them, it's fine. Graph till they sling a man's name in the sky.
Yo!
Is it a bird or a plane? No,
honestly, God, it's been so long since I reacted to Jafro. I forgot that he's so energetic. Oh, this is crazy as hell.
Not all heroes wear capes or specs. Then again, not many men are like me. I'd say I'm one of the last ones left. But kryptonite, when you spit, you're like Superman wearing kryptonite treads. See through man like it's X-ray vision, but me, I just on the specs like Clark Kent. Just came back for a minute to visit, exhibit the spirit and deliver a lyrical live a head top spinning like they've just been in prison on a pivot, and when they catch up, they be like, how's he define the physics? I'm like, nah, blood, that's none of your business. Gone in a flash, and if you
yeah, but they come like Eminem. I didn't think I like him just fast with him rhymes.
Thinking to existence, then shower. Might see me and my team with rings in my first stone color card. This league's ours. Man can come on some parallax vibe, but I'm paralyzed, guys. I'm too overpowered. Bigger they are, the more a man burns. So man will catch heat if I'm sunning a coward. South American Amazon warrior. By my side, I need a Wonder Woman. I know tons of women. I just wanna big up the kind you'd make your child's mumsy women. I don't
yo, you the man say?
Some princess.
Man, right, man, famous for the right woman. Man, they can meet to the mom, just chilling. Yo, it's bad, bro. That's it, man. To me, man, one of the fastest UK rapper we see. Honestly, one of the fastest. He man gets, I think.
The women that don't run their gums, give bare attitude. Some Princess Dianas, I love these women. Don't act with, they just tell the truth. Nah, actually wanna thank God for these women. I wouldn't mess with the broads in Atlanta. Twisted don't lean in the Fanta, but it's like I'm the king of Atlantis.
Dude, they're
like
drunk.
Sharks in the water, believe I got the piranha. So Lord, I'm so wavy that they should not call me Jafro, but call me Poseidon and give me a trident, or maybe they should call me Aquaman.
Aquaman.
Call me the cyborg. Don't compare me to average MCs. You'll catch the sound blaster if you try war. What do you think this mic's for? You've got no energy, on low battery. I was mechanically made to write more. I've been a titan since my teens, and I'm still the most victorious life form. Get me? So I guess 7 was formed. Yeah.
Yo, this was bad, but we're not gonna lie. I got another iteration to Jafro Unite the 7. Basically, I'm a Unite the 7 hero, but I'm all 7, you see me? I played all. I always forgot that Jafro was actually a very fast rapper, UK rapper. It's been so long since the last reaction to a video, honest to God. But anyway, guys, this is the end of the reaction video. Drop a like on the video if you like it, share it, all them good things there, isn't it? So, peace.